Ready? Strike!
It was too heavy.
Strike! Oh, you hit it. Okay. Okay. Gonna throw the bat.
Hey, better, swing. Oh, he tried to hit that hard. Oh, he was trying to knock me out, bro. Set. Go. Oh!
Okay, look, we finna fight. We finna fight. We finna fight, bruh. You keep hitting me. Y'all, she just walked past the room.
Again.
And she just got shocked again. Let's see what the room look like.
It's freezing in here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Hold on. Hold on. I got it. I got it.
You got it?
I got it. I got it. No, I got it. Okay, you got it. That's the room, y'all. They try to make it seem like they gave us a balcony. They had a lot of pocket. Look at this. What was the point? Honestly, what was the point of putting this right here if I couldn't step outside real quick?
Pretty nice view.
Yeah, it's nice though, y'all. It's the room. Not bad. Yeah, I know. But they be locked, so you can't really. Not bad, not bad. I'm liking the mirror. I'm liking the mirror. Nice little shower.
Oh, the shower's huge.
You know what I'm saying? Okay. You don't want to have a pillow fight again. I know that's not. I wasn't ready. Hold on, wait. Oh, wait. Oh! What's good, everybody? It's your boy, Roythaboi, back with another video. But we finally made it to Tahoe, y'all. Yes, this is our second time in Tahoe, but we had to come back. We had to come back so we could record some more footage because, look, I lost a lot of footage last time we came out here, man. One of the most saddest moments of my life. Right now, we on our way to go get this rental gear. I'm tired, but after we get this rental gear, y'all.
Don't ever book a hotel at a casino. It smells like cigarettes.
Hella cigarettes. Not even the club, not even the casinos.
I feel like I live inside of a Newport pack.
Not even the casinos in Vegas smell this bad. Like, they smell bad in the casino area, but in the elevators and shit, it don't smell like a cigarette.
What is that?
I don't
It's
know.
missing some candles.
What the fuck going on around here? Y'all, we got a big weekend ahead of us. We got snowboarding 2 days in a row. We got snowmobiles.
It's covered in the smallest couple I've ever seen.
They shorter than you. You short.
I know. Wait.
What? I mean, am I lying? Am I lying, y'all?
Look at the back. Look out there. Oh, you can't see it.
They got us locked up in here, y'all. We can't get out. It's a major avalanche next to us. I'm lying. But like I was saying, y'all, we finna go snowboarding 2 days in a row. Then we got snowmobile on Friday as well. And that's really it. But that's a lot, y'all. We got snowboarding lessons. We got snowboarding pier. Like, that's a lot. It's a lot. But stay tuned, because it's going to be a good weekend, y'all. I got a lot of videos coming for y'all, man. Let me put my mask on. Look at that, y'all. That go crazy. This shit looks so clean. Oh, she got on my eye. All right, y'all, so we just got our rental gear. Oh, whoa. All right, y'all, so we just got our rental gear. We ready. You can see, we got our little board. I got my board. You know, you look what my board say, y'all. And look what my pants say. on our way back to the hotel. Walking, the place wasn't really that far. It was literally over there. Met some cool people. Some really nice people there.
Yeah, those are the best 2 attendants I've ever run across. They were very polite, very entertaining, easy to talk to, helped us out. Shout out to them. If I knew their names, I would say it, but I don't. But shout out to them.
But they did subscribe to the channel, so you know your boy lit. But yeah, like I was saying, on our way back to the hotel to drop this stuff off, and then after that, we finna go get something to eat and call it a night. See y'all later.
Save dummy what he asked for. No couple niggas stay solid and got tax for it. EA pumping out the charger, pill facts for it. Out the back door, niggas scared more than tax stores. Hey,